Good morning, everyone. Hi, Anvi.
Hello. Hi, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, Aman. Good morning, Arush. Good morning, Riya.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Sai. Good morning, Sukru. Good morning, Divija. Good morning, Sindhu. Hi, Mananya. Good morning. Good morning, Advika. Good morning, Meghna. Good morning, Litesh. Hi, Meghna. Hi, Litesh. How are you? Looking so beautiful, Meghna, in your pink frock. Hi, Amishi. Amishi, yeah. Hi. Hi, Jayan. Hi, Shivai. Hi, Shivai. Good morning. Good morning, Pippi. Good morning, Ananya and Anvika.
Good morning.
Good morning, Shanu. Good morning, Divyanshi.
Good morning.
Good morning. Very good. You are wishing everyone very nice. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Samaira. Ayantika. Good morning, Yukta. Very good morning. Good morning, Radha. Hi.
Listen to
Hi, Ayantika.
story.
How are you?
Don't listen to the
Hi, Atya. Yukta, I cannot see you. Litesh, I cannot see you. Hi, baby.
Go back.
Hi, Yukta.
Hello.
Hi. Hi, Sindhu. Hi, Arna. How are you? Hi, Riyan. Hi, Litesh. Good morning. How are you? Have you just woke up?
क्या बेटा साथ में
Oh. Hi, Adhika. You are sitting with your sister. Oh. Hi, Megha. You're sitting so quietly today. What happened? All right. So, who all are ready for today's session? Show me thumbs up. Who all are ready? Yay! Even I am ready. Yay!
ये लवकर ये पटकन ये
Well done. Now, who's
Chair
gonna
घेऊन ये.
tell me? Hello.
चेअर घेऊन ये.
Sorry, I cannot hear.
तू ऐकलं नाही ना, मी पण तुझं काही ऐकणार नाही हा. पप्पा मला हे पाहिजे पण असंच बोलणार नाही म्हणून.
All right. Okay. So now, fine. Hi, Divya. All right. Now, who will tell me one thing? Oh, Varnika has also joined. Hi, Varnika. Okay. Okay. Good morning, baby. Good morning. Now, who will tell me who has done brush morning by themselves today? Who will tell me? Raise your hand if you have done brush by yourself. Why you have done it yourself? My God. You have also done it yourself. Meghna, you have also done brush yourself. Arna also. My God, Amishi. Arush, Mananya, and Dipija also. Yuvraj, you have done it. Mukta, wow. That means Jayan also has done it. Varnika also has done it. Shanu has also done it. Good. My God. Done your brush yourself. That means you all have grown up a bit. Good. Now just let me know. Let me just add one more thing. Who all have drinking water? At least 4 glasses yesterday. Raise your hand. Who all have drinking water? Megha has drinking 10 glasses of water. Wow. And Litesh?
A lot of water, yes.
Saranya, how many glasses have you drinking? 10 glass. Yuvraj, you also have drinking 10 glass. Radha also has drinking 10 glass. My goodness. 2 glass. Oh, Divyanshi, 2 glasses. Oh, my God. Sukhrup, how many glasses you have drinking? Wow, 10. Saranya, you have been drinking 10 glasses. Adya, how many glasses?
One bottle, 2 glasses.
2 glasses. Wow.
Can you hear me?
I can see, Sai, you have drinking 6 glasses. Very good, Sai. Very good. We all should drink at least 4 glasses of water every day. At least. We should drink more also, but at least 4 glasses. It is really important. Now, who will tell me who has done yoga and exercise or meditation in the morning? Who has done it? Tell me. Oh, Janshi did it. Dekna, did you do it?
No, I also have done it.
Anvi, did you do it? Sayantika, did you do it? I did it now. Wow. And Adya is also drinking now. I have seen you.
I have drank.
Yay. I can see so many of you drinking water now. Very good. Varnika is also drinking. Riyanshi is also drinking. Mananya, have you drinking? Good. See, I am also drinking. Cheers. Let's all drink together. Okay. Now tell me one more question. Who has loved their mama papa in the morning when they woke up? Who all have learned they love their mama papa in the morning? Tell me, Riyansh. Wow. Yay, very good. I know. You all are amazing. You all are amazing, you know. Now let me just mute so that everyone can hear properly. Okay. Now, see, you all have done these 4 things. That means you have done brush yourself, you have drinking water, you have did yoga and meditation, and you have loved your mama papa. Now do you know, if we do these 4 things every day, we'll become smart, confident, fit and strong. If we do all these 4 things every day, we become smart, confident, fit and strong. Who wants to become smart, confident, fit and strong? Show me, raise your hand. Who wants to become? Yes, we all want to become. So, will you promise, all of you, will you always do brush yourself? You will drink water a lot. You will do exercise and meditation, and you will love your mama papa in the morning every day. You'll say, I love you mama, I love you papa. Right? Good job, everyone. You know what? I have received so many nice videos and photographs of you all doing great activities. So right now I only have received few, but I know that you all do awesome activities at home because I know you all are super smart kids. So I know that. But let me share few activities and videos which I have received. Shall I share? Alright, let me share my screen. Can you all see my screen? Show me thumbs up. Okay, good. So, everyone know my name, but let me just tell you once again. My name is Sakshi and I am a personality development trainer and I love playing with kids whole day long. I can play every day, all the time. My favorite thing is playing with kids. Alright. Okay. Now let's move to the session. Today I am going to tell the names of kids who have done awesome activities and shared with us. So first we have got Viraj. Okay, Viraj has done so many activities. He had made a paper lion, he had done finger painting, origami flowers, and he even drew a face of a boy and a girl. Isn't it beautiful? Viraj, that is so nice and so creative. Well done, Viraj. Please clap everyone for Viraj. Please clap. Good job, Viraj. Good job. Amazing. Now after Viraj, we have got Riyansh. Riyansh has actually made a beautiful Indian flag for the respect of our soldiers. We should always respect our soldiers. They do a great job in protecting India and we should always thank them. So Riyansh has made a beautiful Indian flag. Well done, Riyansh. Please clap everyone for Riyansh. Good job. Lovely. Well done. Proud of you. After Riyansh, we have got Vedansh. Vedansh has created, can you all see how beautiful artwork he has made? Vedansh has made vegetable printing and he has done toothbrush spray painting. Very neat and very creative, Vedansh. Well done, Vedansh. Please clap everyone for Vedansh. Good job, Vedansh. After Vedansh, we have got Sharika. Sharika has made a very beautiful drawing. She has used beautiful colors. Isn't it looking pretty? Very well done, Sharika. Good job. Please, everyone, Sharika. Great job, Sharika. Well done. Good job. After Sharika, we have got Yuvraj. You know, Yuvraj has done yoga and he has decorated different shapes with different things. Yuvraj, it's amazing. And you know what? Yuvraj has done yoga and meditation. Do you know? If you do yoga and meditation every single day, your mind will become so strong and you will become so strong and fit. Well done, Yuvraj. Well done. Good job. Well done. Well done, Yuvraj. Well done, Yuvraj. Well done. After Yuvraj, we have got Divija. Wow, Divija, such a beautiful artwork. Divija has actually made Tom Story Tom's Parrot. Isn't it great? Wow, Divija, your artwork is really neat and very beautiful. Well done, Divija. So proud of you. Please clap everyone for Divija. Good job, Divija. Well done. Well done. Very good. After Divija, we have got Ayush. Ayush has actually made a card for her grandmother and he has done a puzzle solving. Do you know? If you do a lot of puzzles, your brain will become more intelligent and you'll be able to learn more and more new things. We all want to learn new things. And if our brain will become more intelligent, we can learn more new things. And for that, we can do puzzle solving. Good job, Ayush. Well done. Please clap everyone for Ayush. Good job, Ayush. Well done. After Ayush, we have got Divyanshi. Wow, Divyanshi. I know you are so smart. See how nicely your yoga postures are amazing. You are doing very difficult yoga postures very nicely. Amazing. Well done. So proud of you, Divija. Good job. Well done. Well done. Good job. And also Divyanshi has done a Bindi art activity. That's beautiful. Beautiful Bindi art activity, Divyanshi. Good job. Well done. Well done, Divyanshi. After Divyanshi, we have got Shivai. Shivai, you are so talented. Shivai does so many activities. He shares so many photos and videos with me. I'm so proud of you, Shivai. Shivai has done motor sensory path activity. He has done yoga and he has done so many activities. I'm so happy to see you, Shivai. Well done. Please clap everyone for Shivai. Well done, Shivai. Well done. I'm so proud of you. Very, very good. Well done. After Shivai, we have got Anna. She has made a very beautiful photo frame for her Dadu Dadi. Amazing, Anna. You look so pretty. Well done. Good job. Please clap everyone for Anna. Well done. Well done. All of you kids. You all kids are sweethearts. Amazing, lovely work. I love you all. Well done. So, you know what? You all do very nice activity. I also wanted to do one activity. See, I've made a fan for myself. You know what? It was really hot. It was too hot. I was sweating. So I wanted to find a solution. So what was my solution? I thought, let me make a fan for myself. See? Oh, now I'm not feeling hot anymore. See? Ta-da! Just like you all, you do a lot of activity. I did also one activity. Isn't it great? You know what? You all are amazing. I only have received few kids' videos. So that's alright. But we all are brave, confident and super kids. So let us clap for ourselves. Alright? Let us clap. Come on. Loudly clap for ourselves. Yeah. We are all super smart, super kids. Well done. Alright. Now, let's recall the story which we have heard last time. Okay, let me recall it. Last time we have heard the story about a kid whose name was Sonu. Sonu and Monu. Monu has learned to be responsible. You know what happened? One day, Sonu and Monu were playing together and suddenly Monu felt hungry. And Monu said, "Oh, I'm really feeling hungry. Let me go and eat something." So he thought an idea. Let me eat the cookies which Mama made and she has kept in a glass jar. So he thought, let me eat those cookies. So he went inside. But you know what? Sonu said, Monu, don't go. Don't go. because the jar is so heavy, you will not be able to handle it. It might fell down and we might get hurt. Please don't go all alone. We will take permission from Mama and we will take it from Mama. Mama will give us. But you know what? Monu becomes so careless, he didn't even listen to Sonu. He went inside and carelessly he held on the jar, and all of a sudden the jar fell down and it got broken. Now Monu got so scared. He got so frightened and scared, terrified. Oh my god, what will happen now? Mama will get really furious if she will get to know about this. He was really scared. Then Sonu came and Sonu said, Monu, look, I told you, don't go all alone. Don't hold the jar. It is so heavy. See now what happened. It fell down and now it has broken. Now who will give answer to Mama? Monu got so scared. Now Mama came. Mama asked, who broke the jar? Monu was so scared. He was so terrified. He was quiet. He didn't say a thing. But Monu was a good boy. So Sonu said, Mama, please forgive us. Please, I'm sorry. By mistake, it fell down from us. And because of that, it broke. Please, I'm sorry. Please forgive us. Mama knew that Sonu didn't break the jar. Sonu didn't break the jar. Monu did. But Monu was all quiet. Monu didn't take responsibility for his mistake. So Mama got a little angry. And Mama told, okay, because you are Monu, you didn't tell me the truth. You both will get punishment. No Choo Choo TV today. No videos today. No funny videos. No cartoon for you today. Today you both will get punishment and no cookies also. You know what happened? Monu felt so bad because of his mistake. Sonu also got punishment. Sonu didn't do anything. Monu did, but because of him, Sonu also got punishment. So Monu felt really sad and bad. He thought, I will also become a good kid. Let me go to my mama and let me tell the truth. So at first he was really scared, but then he slowly went to his mama and he told, Mama, I'm really sorry. I'm telling you the truth now. It was me who broke the jar. Sonu didn't break the jar. I was careless. I was not careful enough. And because of that, the glass jar broke down and the cookies all spilled over. Please forgive me. I am apologizing. Please forgive me. So Mama told, it's okay, Monu. Very, very good. You told me the truth this time. I'm really happy and I'm really proud that you told me the truth. We all do mistakes. It's alright. We all do mistakes. But if we take responsibility for our mistake, that is the best thing. And I'm so happy and I'm so proud that you have realized your mistake and now you have come and told me the truth. Now you can help me in cleaning the mess. So after that, Mama, Sonu and Monu have cleaned all the mess, and then Mama became really happy. So she gave her phone to Sonu Monu to watch a little video, and she even gave some cookies to eat. Now Monu has become responsible. Who will tell me that should we become responsible or should we not become responsible? Show me your left hand if we should not be responsible, and show me your right hand if we should be responsible. Yes, it's okay if we do any mistake. We should always take responsibility for our mistake. Absolutely, it's alright. We all do mistakes sometimes. But if we take responsibility, we become good kids. We become responsible kids. And you all are very smart and very good kids. I know. You will all become responsible. Let me ask one question. Shall I? Okay. So the question is, suppose you wanted to drink one glass of water and suddenly the glass fell down. Suddenly what happened? The water spilled everywhere. Now what will you do? What will you do? Will you become quiet and just being scared and crying? And will you not tell the truth to Mama? Or instead, you will become brave and you'll say, sorry mama, I will because by mistake I have done because of my mistake the water fell down, and because of the mistake the water spilled. Please, sorry, please forgive me. Okay, just a minute. Just a minute. Okay. So what will you do? Will you say, will you cry, or will you be quiet? You will not tell the truth to mama? Or will you take responsibility of your mistake? Sorry mama, by mistake the water spilled. I will not do that again, and I will help you clean the mess. What will you do? Show me your left hand if you will cry and if you will not tell the truth. Or show me your right hand if you will be brave enough and take the responsibility for your mistake, and will you say sorry to mama? Very good, Divyanshi. Very well done. Good jobs. Very well done, Mananya, Meghna, Adya, Arush. So many kids. Varnika, Adya. Very, very well done. Sai, Shivai. Good job. Good job, everyone. Good job. Okay. Now, let me tell you today's story. Well done. We always take responsibility for our mistake and we always look for solution. We should help mama to clean the mess. Right? Alright. So, let's move on for today's story. Today's story is about the farmer and a magical goose. So, once upon a time, there lived a poor farmer. He was a good farmer, but he was really poor. He was dedicated to his work. He always finished his work. But then he was really poor. One day he was very hungry and he didn't have anything to eat. So he thought, what should I eat today? So he went outside to look for something so that he can eat something. When he went outside, he saw there was a goose honking around. Have you seen goose honking? Quack, 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 quack. Goose honks like that. So the goose was honking around, and the farmer saw that amazing goose. It looked so pretty. The farmer said, wow, that's a beautiful goose. And suddenly when he looked closer, he saw that the goose has laid a golden egg. The egg was looking so pretty, he quickly came around. Then when the goose went, the farmer came and he thought with amazement, wow, it's a golden egg made out of pure gold. At first, he really became happy to see the golden egg. Then he held that egg in his hand and he became really happy to see that golden egg. Wow! Such a beautiful golden egg made out of pure solid gold. It would be great if I sell it to the market. He became so happy, and happily he went to town and he sold the egg to the market. And when he sold the egg, he got a lot of money. My God! He got a lot of money. He became really happy to earn that money. Wow! When he got the money, he bought so many things for himself. He bought a cow, he bought a horse, he bought a rooster, and he even bought a big house for himself. he became so rich. And he became a little bit greedy too. What happened? So what happened? After that, what happened? He thought, if I take all the eggs out of the goose's tummy, I'll become more and more rich. So he thought, if I sell more eggs, I'll become more rich. More money will come to me. So he thought, let me cut the goose tummy and take out all the golden magical eggs from her tummy. So after that, he became greedy. He thought, today I will cut the tummy of the goose and I will take out all the golden eggs from her tummy. Then he got a big knife and then he went towards the goose, and when he cut the goose died. Oh no! The goose died! Oh my goodness! Now the farmer became really sad. Oh my god! And then all the things have gone away. His all animals, his house, everything is lost now. And he became sad and he realized his mistake. My goodness, I became greedy and because of that I have lost everything. Earlier I had one egg, I sold one egg and I had so many things. Now because of my greed, I wanted so many eggs and because of that I cut the goose and I killed it. Now I don't have any neither I have goose nor I have any eggs. Oh, he cried. Oh, I did a big mistake. I shouldn't be greedy like that. But you know what? Now he can't do anything. The goose has already died. So kids, what do we understand from the story? That we should not be greedy. But let me ask you one question. Did you like the story? Show me thumbs up if you like the story. Yes. Now let me ask one question to see if you have really understood the story. Okay. Suppose you are watching some videos and cartoons on mobile. So, should you watch for longer time? A lot of time? Like first you will watch only for 20 minutes? Or will you cry, no, I want to watch more videos, I want to play more games on mobile and tablet or on laptop? You will cry, no, I want to watch it for more and more time. What should I do? What should you show me your left hand? If you watch only for a little time, and will you return the phone or tablet to your mama papa back? Or instead you will cry, no, I want to watch more mobile, I want to watch more videos and I want to see for more and more time so that your eyes will ruin. Show me your left hand if you watch it for less time. Yes, show me your right hand if you watch it for less time and you will return it to your mama papa. Very good. Very well done everyone. Mananya, Meghna, Anaya, Advika, Ayantika, Varnika, Radha, Rayansh. Well done. Adya, Satva, Samaira, Adya, Aganya, Diya, Neha, Shivai, Litesh, Ayukt, Aman. Well done all of you. Amazing. We should only watch videos and laptop and mobile only for a little time. Because you know what? Otherwise our eyes will get ruined. We'll not be able to see clearly. And our eyes will pain a lot. Oh no. So we should only watch videos and laptop and tablet only for a little time. And then we should return it back to Mama Papa. We should not cry for more and more. We should not be greedy to watch more and more videos. Because Mama Papa always gives us, right? They always give us to watch. So we should not be greedy. We only watch for a little time and then we return it back. Right? Show me thumbs up if you will always do that. Good job. Well done, everyone. Well done, Sai. Well done. Very good. Now, we all know about coronavirus, that it's a very dangerous virus right now, and we should always take care of ourselves and our parents also, right? But right now, we can go outside. The lockdown has been opened a bit, but it is our responsibility to protect ourselves. So we should always cover our mouth. We should wear masks. Whenever we go out, we should wear masks, because this virus is really dangerous. If this virus will get to us, we might get sick really bad. We might get sick very bad. So we should protect ourselves with 3 golden rules. First, keep your hands always clean. Wash it properly with soap and water. Or if you don't have soap and water, you can use sanitizer, right? Or you should not touch your eyes, nose and mouth with your dirty hands, right? And the third golden rule is that right now the lockdown is open, but still you should stay at home if there is not necessary work, right? So, and most of all, if you have to go out, keep your mouth closed with the mask. It is really important. Show me thumbs up that you will always wear mask if you go outside. Good job. Well done, kids. Now, let me give you one important responsibility. I know that you are all responsible kids, but will you help your mama papa this time? You can go to your mama papa, you can ask them, Mama, I really want to help you. How can I help you? You can even go to your papa, ask them, Papa, how can I help you? You know what? When mama papa helps you in your studies, in your drawing, in your artwork, you like it, right? So if you will help your mama papa will also love it so much. They'll be so happy. Wow, my baby is helping me, right? So show me thumbs up if you will go and help your mama papa. You'll ask them, how can I help? Show me thumbs up if you all do this. Good job. See, you kids are amazing. I love you all kids, because you all are super duper kids. You always listen to your ma'am. You always listen to your mama papa, right? You all are amazing kids. I love you all. So next time when we meet, I will ask that who all have helped their mama papa. Alright? Thumbs up. Will you do it? Promise? Alright. Love you kids. Bye. We'll meet soon again. Bye. Bye. Love you all. We'll meet soon again. Love you.